Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Sleepless AI token. Ticker symbol is AI. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting January 4th. We're going to go over the information on the Sleepless AI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Sleepless AI token is being listed January 4th at 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do, first of all, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you would have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol AI, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a Telegram you could follow at Sleepless AI Group that has 76,173 Telegram members, doing very well. They have a Twitter that you can follow at SleeplessAI_lab, 73,300 Twitter followers, and they just joined in February 2023. They have a BSC scan here, and this is a brand new token. It says 3 holders. They don't have any holders on it yet. Besides, like the team members or, their wallet holdings. And then they have they have 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 1 billion AI tokens. So it's not even available on Pancakeswap, and their big central exchange listing is coming soon on Mexc Global. You can check out their webpage at sleeplessai.net. Over there you can find their socials, and you can also find a full white paper. So it says, our belief, love is the one thing we're capable of perceiving that transcends time and space. We hold a steadfast conviction that love is the cornerstone of human society, a timeless subject that remains ever relevant. As society evolves, there is an apparent paradox of progress leading to increased feelings of isolation and authentic emotional connections becoming more fragile and rare. Our contemplation has always circled around what, besides history, has the power to immortalize emotions across the sands of time. It is with the advent of AI and blockchain technology that we've discovered the remarkable fusion, making the concept of enduring, erasable love not just a dream, but a tangible reality. Now we're excited to present Sleepless AI's flagship virtual BF game called Him. Embark with us on an enchanting journey into the world where an opportunity awaits to meet your ideal virtual companion. So basically you can get like a virtual BF or girlfriend, I guess, a BF or GF. So where AI meets affections. This is kind of funny here, but okay. People like all sorts of things. Sleepless AI emerges as a groundbreaking Web3 AI gaming platform, ingeniously blending artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. At its core, Sleepless AI aims to revolutionize the gaming industry with its unique approach and the extensive expertise of its team. Our mission is to offer an unparalleled emotional support and immersive gaming experience through AI companion games. The project seeks to redefine the gaming landscape by seamlessly integrating advanced AI and blockchain technologies. So there's like a little video that you could watch, like a trailer, I guess, on their document section. By the way, if you want to skip right to their documents, like their white paper, just go to sleepless-ai.gitbook.io. So it says our game is live. So you can go check it out on their webpage, sleeplessai.net. They have lots of Web3 partners as well, like Binance Labs, Folius Ventures, and Foresight Ventures. So it says here, we are ready to introduce 2i companion games, Him and Her. These games offer personalized experiences, fostering authentic emotional connections. The gameplay is characterized by its focus on customized interactions, realistic communications, and engaging entertainment, ensuring high end user engagement. So they have the in-game token. It says you can use it for purchasing NFTs, accessories, clothes, food, etc. There's mystery boxes, gotcha by diamonds, unlock functional experiences, and then items. You can purchase items, interactions, NFT transactions, props, all sorts of things, NFTs, etc. With the token. So it's a utility token, and it's also a governance token. By owning the governance token, you not only have the power to shape the future of the game, such as introducing new BF types, game modes, and prop varieties, but you also receive additional benefits. Taking inspiration from the VE model, the more tokens you stake and the longer you've been a user, the greater your voting rights become. So AI token holders can vote on gameplay governance decisions, including prioritizing in-game item upgrades, etc. Now, you can use it to buy accessories, upgrade cards, all sorts of things. And then discounts. You can get discounts as well by being a token holder. Now, the tokenomics on here, how the token is split up. 7% of the tokens go to the Binance launch pool. 1% of the tokens go to airdrop. 18% investors, 18% team, 27% long-term treasury fund, 29% short-term growth. And like I said, there is a total supply of 1 billion tokens, and it is on the Binance Smart Chain. You can check out a full roadmap on their document section. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes, especially that Mexc global one where this token will be listed at the beginning of January. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.